Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie. And as you can see, we're doing our little mini savings challenges. I finally got me a dice roller so I don't have to chase it all over the place. I found this on Amazon hauls. The little dice tower and a set of dice I got altogether was $11 and some odd cents. So what we are going to do today is just add this little bit of money that I've got. We don't have a whole lot this week. We had to take an unexpected trip to my sister's. If y'all saw my short, traveling to say goodbye to Mom, I was going to say goodbye to my mother-in-law. Well, not my mother-in-law, but my sister's mother-in-law, who treated us, Rudy. Rudy decided to make his appearance. But anyway, we had to travel to say goodbye to Miss Monty. She was a very Christian lady, and she was a wonderful person, and it has really affected me a lot, and I'm about to cry because when my mom passed away, she more or less kind of, adopted me and Karen as my sister, as another mom. There is no doubt in my mind that she is at the feet of the Lord, praising His name and just living the life of no more pain and no more sorrow. So we are going to get ready with these challenges, and I'm going to try to get Rudy off of the desk today because he's wanting to be close to his mama for some reason. So we are going to get started, and he's back up here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and he's trying to steal my die. Rudy, come on. Now, if y'all don't know the story about Rudy, Rudy was a little kitten at the time. Now he's like a big fat monster. Him and his sister was dropped off at my house, so we just kindly adopted him, and he is a Siamese cat, and she is a little gray cat, and I just do not understand how a Siamese and a gray cat can come out of the same litter, but they did, and he's adorable. He is I always said he was a godsend. So we got $20 to start with, and we are going to roll the dice. And we have a 1, and here he comes. A 5. A 3. A 5. I hope everybody is having a wonderful part of the midweek. I have been battling sinuses. It's been crazy. My throat is sore, and it's just been horrible with the sneezing, the coughing, the headaches, and, everything that comes with the changing of the seasons. Okay, we have a 2. So if you all see my community post, we have decided that we are going to be starting a chicken farm, a small royal chicken farm, and for the reason for that is because everybody has been asking. I've been getting like nine eggs a day, and they asked me, where did you get your chickens? And I said Royal King, but I really wasn't kind of satisfied with the outcome because I lost a lot of chicks at the beginning. So we just decided that we were going to start our own little chicken farm, hatch out our chickens, and just, help our community around us who wants good chickens to be able to come to us, and we can say, yes, these are the Rhode Island Reds. They're taken care of. They're not just in a big round barrel with food and water and being stompled on and all this. We want to really be able to let our people know, okay, you know, here it is. They're good quality chickens. We made sure they're taken care of and before we send them out. Because when you go to rural king, you really don't know if they're going to survive or not. And I think altogether at the beginning when we done our chickens, we lost probably about 17 or 18 before we finally got the 11 that we have now. I got to get me a drink of coffee, y'all. My throat is so sore and dry. So hopefully we will be getting that started. I do have a Cash App link for a pool if you all would like to donate to help us get this started. I am looking into grants from our state and federal to see if we can qualify for some of them. And we have $2 for October, so we are going to be coloring in this too here. I just started this one not long ago. I finished September and put it into the other binder, and I will tell you all about that in the next video. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have $9 in October. I think with all this bag of money right now, or as we call it, the bag of money, with all these little small challenges, I think whatever is in it, I'm going to designate it to a certain bill and just pay it. And Alaska is from Lisa, Grateful Me, over at the Happy Mailbox Company. She done all these little small states. There's like 50 of them. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 going into this one. So we will do a 3 and a 3. I'm sorry if y'all can hear. I'm just croupy and crazy today. Okay, this little lamb only got $1. And I'll just put it in here. I just used some of these old envelopes I had and just glue stick the little challenge on it so it could have an envelope. Okay, Mr. Wolf here is so beautiful. I love wolves. Has 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That one only needs $1 more, and it will be finished. And then we have this cute little ducky, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will just color in a 4. These are from Pennies from Heaven. Uh-oh. I gotta fix that. Where's my glue stick? Looked like it come loose a little bit. So I'll just put that down. That way I don't lose it. So I'll just slide the 4 in here. And then this little micro got 1, 2, and 3. So we will do a 2 and a 1. And this one right here, these are from the Budget Nerd. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for hanging around and watching me and sticking with me through all my little chaotic mess that I've been going through. So I will leave the link in the description, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.